Your Peak Scoliosis Bracing System has been adjusted to fit you. You should not need to adjust the brace further. To apply your brace, first ensure that the pull tabs are as close to the back of the brace as possible so that the brace can be fully extended. It is important that you apply the brace in the same position so that it feels just like it did when you were initially fit. Inhale deeply and wrap the belt around as tightly as possible. Overlap the panels and press down firmly to secure. Before tightening, be sure both the top and bottom of the belt are snug. If needed, angle the ends of the brace to achieve a snug fit at both the top and bottom. To tighten, grasp the pull tabs and pull away from the body. Over-tighten the brace, then loosen it slightly to achieve a supportive but comfortable fit. Be aware that the right pull tab controls the upper compression and the left pull tab controls the lower compression. As the compression is tightened, the self-adjusting back panel contours automatically to the lumbar spine. Once the appropriate compression is obtained, place the pull tabs on the front panel and press down to secure. When seated, check that the brace is comfortable and that the trochanter pad is not too low and that the thoracic pad is not uncomfortably high. To maintain effective, comfortable support, it can be helpful to slightly loosen the upper portions of the brace by adjusting the right pull tab. To remove the brace, peel the pull tabs and reattach them as close to the back panel as possible. Peel back the ends of the brace to open. Be sure to fully extend the brace so it will be ready for reapplication. When desirable, the brace can be washed using mild soap and water. Do not use bleach, harsh chemicals, or machine wash. Rinse thoroughly. Pat out any excessive moisture and allow to air dry completely. Do not machine dry. For questions or further information about the Peak Scoliosis Bracing System, please call Aspen Medical Products at 800-295-2776 or visit us online at www.aspenmp.com.